So hi guys, today is July 18, 2019 and it's currently 7:05 p.m. and I'm here at NAIA3 and I'm going somewhere international again for my birthday. And as a gift for myself, I'll be traveling for the very first time alone or not alone, not alone talaga since I'll be meeting with my friends over there on that place. So yeah, samahan niyo ako for 3 days. Hey, I'm currently on a plane na and in like how many minutes na lang I'll be taking off and you'll see kung saan ako punta. Hi, so I just arrived here at Changi. Most probably seen this airport now on my previous vlog. And yes, I am back in Singapore. And it's already past 2 a.m. and I am so sleepy. So yeah, I'll just see you tomorrow. I'm going to see you later. So hi, today is July 19, 2019 and one day before my birthday. And yes, I'm currently out and I'm ready to explore Singapore. So for our first stop today, we are here at the Jewel Changi. And yes, I am with my friends from Jewel. Look! Shake Shack. Ayun pala. Nasa Jewel and the Palace. Jewel and the Palace na namin. Yung Jewel Changi. And
Kalayo nila. Galit ka ba?
galit ka. So hi guys, we're still here at the Jewel Changi and we're here at Topiary Walk. So as you can see, para siyang, basta yun, may daanan siya. And then mayroong mga flowers na korteng mga animals and stuff. And Persian nature. So dito sa likod ko, yan, elephant yan. And then dun sa mga una is may orangutan, mayroong birds. Yeah, so basically, isa siyang parang walk na park. Ito siyang park wherein maglalakad kayo and then makikita nyo yung mga animals na nakagawa siya sa mga flower. Currently at Discover Slides and as you can see by its name, slide talagang literal. So there are 3 types of slides here and hindi naman siya yun yung way lang pababa but syempre since nandito ka na, you should try na, diba, na use the slides going down as like that. It's quite scary though since mataas siya.
Siya dire-diretso.
So, alas 4 na, hindi pa kami kumakain ng tanghalian. Mag-lunch pa lang kami. Uwi namin Chinatown. namin Binondo, Chinatown, para mag-lunch.
Lucky Chinatown.
And it's already 4 p.m. in ang tagal pupunta Chinatown. Lance, kamusta ka naman?
Kanina niya pa kalinya yan. Ako din nagugutom.
Kanina pa na sinasabi, nagutom na ako.
Chinatown Interchange.
We're now here at Chinatown. Looking for food. Hanap na tayong pagkain kasi gutom na kami. Kami nagla-lunch alas 4 na. Okay, so we're still here at Chinatown and we just ate our lunch. So it's already 4:55 p.m. and we're going now to a temple here in Chinatown. Hindi ko siya masabi. It's Sri Mariman Temple. Basta sounds like that. Hirap nang i-pronounce. But yeah, pupuntahan na namin siya. So, that's the temple. That's the temple I'm talking about earlier. Hindi na kami pumasok kasi kailangan nakasocks ka, nakasandals ko, and basta, hindi na. Are now here at Peranakan Colorful Houses. So, ang expected namin, para siyang street or village sa puro colorful houses. But yet, parang isang street lang siya na both sides ay makulay ang kanilang bahay. Yan. Yan na yun. Yan na yung Peranakan Houses. Ano masasabi mo?
Walay. Ayan na po, umaaura na si Tricia. Papa-picture sa aking boylet. Yan, sige. Aura pa. Galing naman mag-post. Happy birthday to you.
At Haji Lane, and specifically we're here at Selfie Coffee. So we ordered some drinks and we took some selfies. And tingnan natin kung itsura mamaya.
Eventually.
Hi! So look who's with me.
Ingat.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Hi guys.
Ay daw.
Uy! Snub.
Snub
I will
na
serve mom. I will serve